Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into something super exciting, Africa's booming tech scene. Whether you're a developer, entrepreneur, or tech enthusiast, these tips will help you thrive in this vibrant industry. First up, let's talk about networking. In Africa, connections are everything. Attend tech conferences, join local meetups, and be active on social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. Building a strong network can open doors to opportunities you never even thought possible. Next, stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. The tech world moves fast and Africa is no different. Follow tech blogs, subscribe to newsletters, and join online communities. Sites like TechCrunch, VentureBeat, and even local platforms like TechCabal will keep you in the loop. Also, consider contributing to open source projects. This not only hones your skills but also gets your name out there. Platforms like GitHub are teaming with African developers creating incredible things. Jump in, collaborate, and make your mark. Let's not forget about funding. If you're an entrepreneur, securing funding is crucial. Look into local and international venture capital firms that focus on Africa. Organizations like Andela, Ingressive, and the Meltwater Entrepreneurial School of Technology, MEST, are great places to start. Now let's talk about innovation. Africa is unique with diverse challenges and opportunities. Think about how technology can solve local problems or improve existing solutions. Whether it's fintech, health tech, or ed tech, there's room for innovation everywhere. And of course, never stop learning. Invest in online courses, attend workshops, and seek mentorship. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and local institutions offer courses tailored to the African context. Keep sharpening your skills. Lastly, embrace the community. Africa's tech scene is collaborative and supportive. Engage with peers, share knowledge, and lift each other up. Together, we can drive the continent's tech revolution. So, there you have it. Network, stay informed, contribute, seek funding, innovate, keep learning, and embrace the community. Africa's tech scene is bursting with potential, and with these tips, you're well on your way to thriving. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.